Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to see about the click event. This is also one of the major and important dynamic action in Oracle books. Previous session, we have seen change event. So in this session, we are going to see change button click event. So this button click event occurs when we click on any particular item or a button. So majorly when we click using the mouse, this is also known as mouse event. When we perform any mouse click, this event will be fired. Now what we are going to see is we are going to create a click event for this proceed button. So my problem statement is I am going to enter some name here. After clicking this proceed button, I need to show as an alert to the user what I have entered. That is, if I entered whatever value here, that should be shown as an alert. So that is on clicking on this button, I'm going to show the value. So this we are going to build on this session. So just see, begin the session. See, here we have two. Here employee is a page item and button is we have two items, two elements. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this label as employee. Now I'm going to enter some value here. After entering the value and clicking on the button, I need to show the entered value. So for that, I'm going to create a dynamic action for this button. To create a dynamic action, select the item and right click on that and select the create dynamic action. So here I'm going to name it as some button click. So here you can see event as click event. So there are different types of event. In that we are using click event. There are also double click event and the get focus length. So as of now we are going to use click event. Selection type is button because we are creating a dynamic action for the button item. So button and the button name is visible. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you alert. For showing alert in under action there is a predefined item called alert, predefined action. So you can scroll down and you can see here alert. So alert here I'm going to give some title. For example, I'm going to mention as a alert. Here I'm going to enter as a message. So if you give any random message like hello or welcome, this message will be displayed as a alert. For example, I will show this. So on clicking on this button, we are showing alert that we given a title of that window and a hello welcome is a text. But our criteria, our problem statement is whatever entered here, it should be shown as a pop-up here like this. Instead of hello welcome, I need to get the value from here and I need to show you. For that also, we can make here itself. Since Apex is a low-code platform, we no need to write much coding for that. There are predefined set of actions are available. Using that, we can achieve whatever we can able to do. But in some rare cases, we need to make some extra coding for that. So for making an alert, you just entering in the select pane. You just select that. You just enter that employee field item. You can get a suggestion from here. For example, I'm entering the first letter on that. You can get a suggestion. You just select that. And for getting that value, you need to use this format syntax. For example, this ampersand and the page item name followed by page item name and followed by a dot. So this is the substitution string. We can say this name as a substitution string format. Using this, we can get that employee field value. Now, on clicking on this button, we are just going to show this pop-up with the entered value. Now I will show you a demo for you. So now the page is rendered. Now I'm going to enter a value here. Let's say I'm going to type my name. After typing my name, I'm going to click on this button. So once I click on this button, whatever the value I just entered in the employee field, I'm just popping out here. So you can see this is the click event. Majorly, we will be using furthermore in the sessions. So this is one of the major and most important dynamic action. So we have just seen this button click event in this session. In further more sessions, we can explore more and more events in this. Thank you.